we'll guide you through how to create titles in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the EDIT page, which is where most of the timeline editing magic happens. Look over to the top left and you'll see the Effects library. Click on that to expand it if it's not already open. Under the Effects library, choose Titles. You'll find several options for titles here. For a simple text overlay, choose Text or Text Plus and drag it directly onto your timeline where you want the title to appear. Once placed, click on the title clip in the timeline to highlight it. Then go to the Inspector panel on the top right. Here you can change the text, font, size, and other properties like color and position. If you're using Text Plus, you have even more control over animations and 3D effects. You can adjust these by expanding the Settings and Transform sections in the inspector. For more advanced title animations, you might want to use the Fusion page, where you can create dynamic and intricate motion graphics. But for most needs, the tools in the inspector will be more than enough. Once you're happy with your title, make sure to play through your timeline to see how it fits with your video. You can always make adjustments by returning to the inspector. And that's it. You've added a title to your video in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.